They'll teach you how to run a STAR, how to run a STAR model, how to design structural steel,
yes,
irrigation, sluice gates,
design a slab, beam, all that they will teach. But how to actually go about it on the field?
But on the field, it is something totally different. You need to design a formwork.
True.
Whether it is you take that much of load, what kind of bracings they do. Concrete mix, I think design mix is something a very huge. I would say first is formwork, second is quality. Quality assurance and quality control is an absolute lack of people. I would say people would, for this particular course in quality and formwork, I think people would jump in on the individual strengths.
Yes.
They can take a break from the companies, go attend a 3-4 months course, and where they are taught different aspects of design mix and quality aspects. I think it's quite large area if you include quality management systems also. And of course planning is there.
Yes, of course.
But then certain aspects which I would feel is like slip form, piling, these are never taught in any kind of seminars, any kind of conferences. So I do not know whether your school could be able to give piling, different types of piling.
I mean, what is happening is we are looking at it in this way, and depending on the requirement we feel on which subject has more response. It is suppose as you said slip forming. Okay. Suppose we open for slip forming, but we don't get any response from the market.
No, you can probably highlight to the companies, but this 1 month or this 15 days we'll have a slip form session.
That's
slip form school,
right.
and something can be carried out. You can call it some formats.
But then one more thing I'd like your idea on: how do we evaluate at the end of it that what has been imparted has been imbibed? And another pertinent question is, the company, suppose your company sends someone to us as a project manager, he imbibes all this and then he goes back and he quits you and on a jump goes off somewhere else.
No, I think your initiative is not so much towards one corporate. I think it is towards the construction industry as a whole.
Exactly.
So I think people should have a broader mindset. I think companies should have a broader mindset in saying, boss, I'm not teaching one gentleman from my company, I'm not teaching an employee, but I'm creating a good construction
awareness.
I'm creating a good construction engineer.
Right.
For the entire Indian construction fraternity.
True.
I think that should be the larger objective.
Yeah, exactly. The broader outlook has to be taken so that we can get it through. Yeah. Then, of course, quite a personal question. Will you send your engineers to us once we open this?
I think we should be in a position to, as long as of course, you demand some fees for that. You will charge some fees. Otherwise, it's not a viable thing. But I think you should be in a position to convey the benefits to us, in the sense that after getting trained from your school, the person should go back to his site and be able to improve efficiencies.
That's right.
Improve quality, avoid wastage. If he is able to do
that
something,
is the benchmark for measuring whether he has been properly trained or not.
That's it. Then I think your fees of 50,000 or whatever rupees, that is very quickly offset by the tangible benefits at site level.
Right.
Improve.
Of course, initially this will be at Bangalore. This training is coming school academy.
Okay.
But as we go down, what I say our satellite projects like in Hyderabad, Calcutta, Chennai, all these, maybe the trainers can come across from Bangalore, our group, and then we can, in Hyderabad circle from the various parties, we can train up those people here. And senior level can, of course, always shuttle to Bangalore and
that's possible.
Yeah, because it has to be a day scholar type of a thing. You guys come in the morning, go off after 3-4 hours. We cannot get into residential aspect as such at this point of time. Right, so thank you on that. Now, in continuation, you see what we felt is as a PMC, we have cost control, quality control, everything in our gamut.
Good as a PMC.
But then we felt that more focus should be given on these two verticals, that is the costing and the quality aspect of it. So cost and quality management, we are planning to open up 2 separate verticals. Right? So that only on those 2 aspects, it will be headed by a team with senior people leading those things. So, and they will be taking up, say, bill auditing, things like that for quality. So, do you think third-party audit, I mean, does the industry need it at this point of time? Basically, cost and quality. Do you think the industry needs that? And the other point is the cost, extra money spent by the companies for hiring professionals for doing this. Will it reap benefits? What do you feel on this?
See, if you look back about 10-15 years back, when Indian construction industry was not so much organized or not so much corporatized, I would say, and the real estate sector or the other construction sector was also not so much corporatized. There are not many PE funds, there are not many loans. Not many loans means not many lenders, engineers. So I think those were the days when people could get away with any kind of cost and quality, especially quality. But today I think the scenario has changed. The customers are more demanding, the banks are more demanding, the PE funds are more demanding, the investors are more demanding, and even within the companies, the internal stakes are very high. So they themselves are very demanding in quality. That's a very positive sign as far as the overall Indian quality context is concerned. So what has happened is, at least on quality I would say first of all, that quality is being demanded by everybody. So if you're going to set up a quality audit team, a quality audit division, then I would say it will definitely be in demand, because if you look at a couple of, I think there is a couple of companies are already doing that. And if you see real estate ads, a few ads, they say that X and Y company is the quality audit company for this real estate product. So I would say the same thing can happen to you also. You can get into that field. You can approach PE funds, lenders, and provide the quality audit service. Same on the cost as well. Cost audit is something very, very important, and it has very tangible benefits, immediate benefits, quick hits, I would say, as far as cost audit is concerned.
But in this role, do you see any challenges ahead?
In fact, I don't see any challenge as far as cost is concerned, cost audit is concerned, because there are hardly 2 or 3 good agencies, reputed agencies, I would say. Why I would say only 2 or 3, I would say only 2 or 1 agency in India, which have a pan-India presence and pan-India reputation of being very upright cost consultants, which are hard to get. I think if your division is going to project itself as a very upright cost consultant,
right, that is one of the...
then I think you can expect in 2-3 years a very good business, certainly, and I'm very much for that.
Okay, right, so with these few words,
sure,
thanks you a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks. I wish Mr ANPrakash and his entire team of people a very great innings in this new divisions, new 3-4 divisions. I wish them the best, and I'm sure you will have a great pan-India presence. Why pan-India? Let's even look bigger.
Right, sir.
I'm sure Indian business will be far bigger than that.
We have to work together in this.
Thanks a lot.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.